You eat
What
some.
are you cooking next?
I'm gonna eat some.
Oh, yeah, you wanna taste it? Be careful, blow it before you put it in your
No,
mouth.
I'm not gonna eat.
You're making a tacos for your supper? Wow. Okay. Gonna look at it for the tacos. Okay, this is lettuce.
No, strong milk.
Cheese and beef. Okay. Make your own.
Butter.
Okay, gonna give you some of the sweet first. Put closer on you. It's hot. Put more and then you put the lettuce and cheese. Oh, you're a good boy. It's okay, you can eat whatever you want. That is not here. You can eat as much as you can. And cheese. And little lettuce. Is it not lettuce?
No.
And you can have more, okay? Tacos. Nom nom nom. What do you want to drink? You want to drink something? You want the...
Juice.
Okay. Oh, you put more cheese? Wow, so much cheese. Put closer to you, so it's not gonna make a mess. Wow, and you have a peach mango juice. Yummy, yummy.